Out on this ever-changing platform of the frozen sea, towering walls of ice stand in their way. This will require mountaineering skills. Beaks come in useful as ice picks. And tobogganing is a quick way down. As they near the sea, the ice becomes more unstable. Even the smallest crack is met with suspicion. And with good reason, a crack can quickly turn into a gaping chasm. If they can't escape, the panicked chicks will be doomed. Made it. Finally, the end is in sight. The Southern Ocean. In some years, the sea ice is so unstable that none make it as far as this. These chicks are the lucky ones. Not the most graceful entry. But they are in their element. The sea. They may have endured the toughest of upbringings, but now they can reap the benefits of the long summer ahead and feed in the richest waters on Earth.